we launch the Sparkle of Life Year 2 program of the local government unit of Tanauan. As your local chief executive, it is truly an honor to witness the spirit of unity that defines our beloved town, especially as we embark on this year's theme, a celebration of life, love, and unity. This Sparkle of Life represents more, not just glimmering bulbs adoring our plaza. This is also symbolize the collective light that radiates from our heart of our municipality, a celebration of life, love, and unity.
Three, two, one.